Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this structure, by plus verb. We use this structure to indicate that somebody did something in vain. For example, 今天银行没开门，我白跑了一趟。This means that I went to the bank, but I couldn't do what I wanted to do because the bank wasn't open. Let's see one more example. If I talk to somebody but this person didn't listen to me, I can say 我的话都白说了. What I said is useless. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. If you wrote your report on your computer but you forgot to save it, how to say I wrote my report in vain? It's 我的报告白写了. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? If you learned some new words today, but after a while you totally forgot those words, how to say I studied these words in vain today? We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's hear the answer to the question I left last time. I didn't expect he would come back this week is 没想到他这周会回来. Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.